you found something, Crow Crow? You found something?
The first thing I do every day is connect with nature. I do my calling call to call in the crow from the treetops. It's springtime now, so their behaviors have changed. They're busier, so they're not all as present when I call like they were during the winter time. For the crow food, I do a mixture of the seafood Friskies and some peanuts that are the squirrel nuts, and he absolutely loves them. Nature has a way of bringing you completely present with your life and being grateful for the moment that you're standing in. And so I start each day in nature this way.
Crow Crow.
There was an indigenous shaman who once said that you could track back when your problem started by identifying when you stopped singing, when you stopped dancing. And so each morning I wake up and I sing to nature by my call that I do.
Crow Crow.
My neighbors have also witnessed this and found beauty in hearing the singing and seeing me connect with nature. And I think that's how I give not only to nature but to other people who need reminding.
You're going to be able to eat for long times.
I meet nature on its own terms, and in return, it gives back to me peace. The crow trusts me because I took the time to earn his trust.
Friend? Oh, you're so beautiful, Crow Crow. Yes, you are. I see you later, okay?
On this day, be in the present of your life. Learn from nature to honor yourself the way that it honors itself every day by being present and fully aware.